सुनीतारी
अर्घ्यं समर्पयामि आचमनीयं समर्पयामि। By the wealth which provided by Lord. So that's why spirituality and the wealth both we have to acquire in this our human life. Only the person who actually acquires this all through your palm. Om Gange Jamune Jiva Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu. Om Hiranyavarnam Harim Suvarnarajatasrajam Chandram Hiranmayim Lakshmim Jatavedo Mamaraha. Om, please say all of you. Sri Dhanalakshmi Devatayaha Avahayami, Sthapayami, Pujayami. Just sprinkle a drop of water. Please say Sri Dhanalakshmi Devatayaha Swarna Simhasanam Samarpayami. Now we offer seat to sit, Simhasanam to Goddess Dhanalakshmi. Now we are washing Goddess' feet. Ashwapurvam Radhamadhyam Hastinara Pramodhim Shriyam Devi Mupahvaye Shrirma Devi Jushatam. Please say Shri Dhanalakshmi Devata Modhinim Shriyam Devi Mupahvaye Shrir Kamso Smitam Hiranya Pragarama. Now you feel that you are offering sweet and cool water in a day. Achamaniyam Samarpayami. Now just feel that you are offering holy parts to Goddess Mahalakshmi and sprinkle a drop of water on Dhanalakshmi. Om Aditya Lakshmi. This is Sri Dhanalakshmi Devataya Aupacharika Prokshana Snanam Samarpayami. Sorry. Goddess Mahalakshmi. Om Upayitubam Devasakaki Krishyamanasa Radha Bhutavasmirashvesmin Kirtivriddhim Jadatume. This is Sri Dhanalakshmi Devataya Vastrayutham Samarpayami. Upayitubam Devasakaki Krishyamanasa Radha Bhutavasmirashvesmin